Hello, my dear viewers. Welcome you all to Scorpio class Hindi. In this video, I have brought complete notes of chapter 8, Mirch Masala. Explanation of the same chapter I have already uploaded. You can take the link from the description box. In this channel, you will also get chapters, explanation and notes of class 9th and 10th. Okay, so now here first main is एक वाक्य में उत्तर लिखिए, which means answer in one sentences. First question is एक दिन भोलू क्या कर रहा था? What was भोलू doing one day? Answer एक दिन भोलू शाम को आंगन में बैठकर दूध पी रहा था. One evening भोलू was drinking milk sitting in the courtyard. Then next question, दूध कहाँ फैल गया? Where did the milk spread? Answer दूध जमीन पर फैल गया. Milk was spilled on the ground, on the floor. Then next, दूध में उसको क्या दिखाई दिए? What did he see in the milk? Answer दूध में उसको दो पंख दिखाई दिए. He saw two wings in the milk. Then हीरा किसे न पचा पाई? What did हीरा couldn't digest? Answer हीरा भोलू की कही बात पचा न पाई. So हीरा couldn't digest the words of भोलू. Then चंपा ने किसको देखते ही सारी बातें उगल दी? Seeing whom चंपा said everything. Answer चंपा ने अपनी सहेली चमेली को देखते ही सारी बातें उगल दी. So here seeing her friend चमेली, चंपा said everything. Then next, चमेली ने चंपा से क्या कहा? What did चमेली say to चंपा? Answer चमेली ने चंपा से कहा कि कबूतर तो इतना बड़ा पक्षी है, वह खाया कैसे होगा? So what did चमेली say to चंपा? That pigeon is such a big bird, how he would have eaten it? Then next, दूर दूर से लोग क्यों आने लगे? Why did people come from far off places? Answer दूर दूर से लोग भोलू का चमत्कार देखने आने लगे. So people from far off places started coming to see the miracle of Bholu. Then next, बेचारा भोलू ने भयभीत होकर क्या किया? What did poor भोलू do in fear? Answer, बेचारा भोलू भयभीत होकर एक पेड़ पर छिप गया. Poor भोलू was frightened and he hid himself on a tree. Then next one is दो तीन वाक्य में लिखिए. Answer in 2 to 3 sentences. First question is भोलू क्यों घबरा गया? Why was भोलू scared? Answer एक शाम भोलू आंगन में बैठकर दूध पी रहा था. खांसी आने के कारण दूध का लोटा हाथ से लुढ़क कर जमीन पर गिरा. उसके मुंह से थोड़ा सा दूध जमीन पर गिर गया. उस दूध में उसे दो पंख दिखाई दिए जिसके कारण वह घबरा गया. So here one evening when Bholu was sitting in the courtyard and drinking milk, while drinking milk he got cough, and while coughing the metal pot which he was having in his hand filled with milk that fell on the ground, and also some milk came out of his mouth. So in that milk he saw two wings. What he saw? He saw two wings that scared him. So that was the reason why he was scared, because he saw two wings in the milk. Then next question is हीरा ने चंपा से क्या कहा? What did हीरा say to चंपा? Answer हीरा ने चंपा से कहा आज उनके मुंह से कबूतर के पंख निकले, वो भी बहुत सारे. मुझे चिंता हो रही, पर तुम किसी से ना कहना. So what did Hira say to Champa? She said that today so many feathers of pigeon came out of his mouth. Whose mouth? Bholu's mouth. Came out of his mouth, because of which I am worried. But you don't tell this matter to anyone. Then next is चमेली से चंपा ने भोलू के बारे में क्या कहा? What did चंपा say to चमेली about भोलू? Answer is चंपा ने चमेली से पहले वादा करवाया कि वह यह बात किसी से ना कहेगी, और कहा आज भोलू जी के मुंह से खांसते समय पूरा कबूतर निकला. So first Champa, what she did, she asked promise from Chameli that she will not tell this matter to anyone, and then she said about Bholu that Today, a whole pigeon came out from Bholu's mouth while coughing. Then next question is, शाम तक गांव में कौन सी खबर फैल गई? By evening, what news was spread in the village? Answer is, शाम तक गांव में खबर फैल गई कि भोलू के मुंह से झुंड के झुंड कबूतर, कौवे, गोरैये, मुर्गे और कई प्रकार के रंग बिरंगी विदेशी पक्षियां निकल रही है, जिससे आकाश भर गया है. So by evening, the news spread in the village that flocks of pigeons, crows, sparrows, hens, and various colorful exotic birds were coming out from Bholu's mouth, which were filling the sky. Okay, so this news was spread in the village. Then next one is Vilom Shabd, which means opposite. First is Jana. Jana, Ana means going, coming. Then बहुत कम, more, less. विश्वास, अविश्वास, trust, distrust. बड़ा, छोटा, big, small. गांव, शहर, village, city. विदेश, देश. Videsh means abroad, foreign country, and Desh means our country, okay, where we live. Then Anya Vachan Roop likhiye. Here you have to change the form of the word. Means if it is singular, you have to write plural. If plural is given, you have to write singular. In some cases, there will be same answer. Like Pankh, Pankh. Okay, answer will be same. Ghar, Ghar. Here singular, in singular also ghar we say, and in plural also we say ghar, like that. Pet, pet. Log, log. Kabutar, kabutar. Pakshi, pakshiyan. Here pakshi is singular and pakshiya is plural. Ped, ped. Gaon, gaon. Then next is goraiya. Goraiya, goraiye. Murga, murge. Bechara, bechare. Vada, vade. Now next one is खाली जगह भरो, means fill in the blanks. भोलू ने अपनी पत्नी हीरा से कहा. Answer is हीरा, means भोलू said to his wife हीरा. Next, भोलू ने दूध में पंख की बात बता दी. Answer is दूध. भोलू told about the feather in the milk. हीरा का पेट फूलने लगा. फूलने is the answer. Hira's stomach started bloating. Then लोग बात का बतंगड़ बना देंगे. बतंगड़ is the answer, means people will make issue of it, people will make mess of it. Then next, चंपा ने अपनी सहेली चमेली से सारी बात उगल दी. So here answer is चमेली. Seeing her friend चमेली, चंपा said everything. Then next, गांव में खबर फैल गई कि पक्षियों से आकाश भर गया. Answer is आकाश. The news had spread in the village that the sky was filled with birds. Okay. Then next one is इन पक्षियों के नाम कन्नड़ अथवा अंग्रेजी में लिखिए. Here some birds name is given. You have to write either in English or in Kannada. I am writing in English. If you want to write in Kannada, you can. Then here first is kabutar. Kabutar means pigeon. Tota. Tota means parrot. Maina. Maina means maina. Kawa. Kawa means crow. Baz. Baz means hawk. Gidh. Gidh means vulture. Goraiya. Goraiya means sparrow. Bagula. Bagula means wading bird. Murga. Murga means hen. Chuha. Chuha means mouse. Then next one is इन वाक्यों में छिपे पक्षियों के नाम ढूंढकर लिखिए. Here some birds name are hidden in the sentence. You have to find and write it. Okay, there will be one sentence in that you have to find which bird's name is there, that you have to find. It is like a puzzle type. See, for example, अब तो ताजा फल खा लो. In this sentence, which bird's name you can see? Tota. Tota is there. See, अब तो ताजा फल खा लो. Like this you have to identify. तुमको यलहंका जाना होगा. Here which bird name is there? कोयल. कोयल is there. Okay. Then next, जब गुलाब देखती है तब खुशी होती है. Here which bird is there? बगुला. Then next, तुम मृगालय में घूमो रमेश. Here which bird? More. Okay, so like this way you have to find out. Then next one is निवास स्थानों को जानिए. It means here you have to say which place they live. See here, आदमी. आदमी means man. Where does man live? Man lives in home or house. Okay, so where they stay, where they live, that name you have to write. Pakshi. Pakshi means bird. Birds live in nest, घोंसला. Bakri. Bakri means goat. Goat lives in baad. Then ghoda, horse. Horse lives in stable, astabal, ghodsal. Then chuha. Chuha means mouse. Mouse lives in burrow. Burrow means it is an underground nest. Some animals they dig the ground to stay there. So that is burrow. Then samp. Samp means snake. Snake lives in burrow. It also digs the ground, mud. Then sing. Sing means lion. Sinha. Lion lives in cave, gufa. The next main is सार्थक वाक्य बनाइए. It means you have to make meaningful sentence. A improper sentence will be given. You have to arrange it properly and frame a meaningful sentence. See here. Here the question is कहूंगी कसम नहीं से किसी से. You cannot understand what the meaning is. So you have to frame it properly. You have to rearrange it. So it will be कसम से किसी से नहीं कहूंगी. I swear I will not say to anyone. So like this way you have to arrange it properly. गया न से रहा चंपा. You don't understand what the meaning is. गया न से रहा चंपा. So you have to correct it. It will be चंपा से रहा नहीं गया. चंपा couldn't tolerate. Then next, आज आई खांसी को भोलू जी. What will be the correct sentence? It is भोलू जी को आज खांसी आई. भोलू जी had a cough today. Then next, आने लोग चमत्कार यह देखने लगे. So the right sentence will be यह चमत्कार देखने लोग आने लगे. People started coming to see this miracle. Okay. Then इनके चलने का तरीका बताइए. This is the next main, and here you have to tell how they walk. Okay, how they walk. Some answers are given in the bracket. You have to choose the right answer. First question is here example is given. आदमी जमीन पर चलते हैं. So where does man walks? Man walks on ground. Yes. So man walks on ground. Then first is मछली पानी में तैरती है. Fish swims in the water. Then सांप जमीन पर रेंगते हैं. Snake crawl on the ground. Then जानवर चार पैरों से भागते हैं. Animals run on four legs. पक्षी पंखों के सहारे उड़ते हैं. Birds fly with the help of wings. Then मेंढक फुदकते हुए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Okay. Frog moves by jumping. So like this, like this way, you have to select the right word and you have to fill the gap. Then next main is देखें आप कोयल के बारे में कितना जानते हैं. So this is a type of test. How much you know about cuckoo? Koyal means cuckoo. It is a bird. So here कोयल एक पक्षी है. Okay, cuckoo is a bird. उसका रंग काला होता है. It has black color. वह कौवे जैसे ही दिखाई देती है. It looks like crow. वह मीठे स्वर से गाती है. It sings in a sweet voice. वह केवल बसंत ऋतु में गाती है. It sings only in spring season. वह अपने अंडे कौवे के घोंसलों में देती है. It lays eggs in crow's nest. केवल ध्वनि से हम कोयल तथा कौवे में अंतर कर सकते हैं. So only by its sound we can differentiate between cuckoos and crows. If not, everything is similar. Their color, their size, everything is similar. So by their sound only we can come to know the difference between the two. So here all the question answers, objectives, everything has been done. I hope this video was helpful. If you want more such videos, then hit the like button, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Till then, take care.